Hi guys, let's work on September 2022 paper. It's a 2-hour paper, but we'll push through it fast as possible so that you can see that it's very easy to get this thing done in no time. So let's start. Don't forget to write your surname, first names, ID or passport, signature, so we know the marks are given to you. So let's go to number one. Number one says, which of the following amounts can you share equally? So always listen to the English, always equally to 127 persons without a remainder. So which means we want to be able to divide 127 into all these amounts and not have a remainder. So if we divide here 127, 127, 127, 127, we want the answers not to give us a remainder, then we are done. That's how to solve that question. So we start with our calculator. 1778 divided by 127. As you can see, you get a 14, clean 14, no remainder. So this one works. We go to the next one. 1758 divided by 127. So you see this one is 13 point what, meaning it has a remainder. It's not working. 2159 divided by 127. 17. So this one also works. And then 2057 divided by 127. Again, decimals, so this one doesn't work. So your answers are 1778 and 2159. Very simple, straightforward. Next question. Which of the following fractions is the smallest and which one is the largest? So whenever you get questions like this, sometimes they bring it where there's fractions and decimals, sometimes it's just fractions. If it's fractions, the easiest way is to make all the fractions the same denominator, right? So you always choose the highest denominator. So in this case, our highest denominator is 200. So we want to convert the first one, the second one, the third one to be out of 200. So how do we get 100 to become 200? It means we multiply by 2, right? So we multiply by 2, this one and this one, so that we have 85. We can use this method, 85 over 100 times 2. It will always give us as a common denominator. That's the problem with the calculator. So you have to do one by one. So you just 85 times 2, you get 170. Obviously 100 times 2, it's 200. Same applies. To get to 200 from 50, you multiply by 4 most, like 50 times 4, you get 200. So you get 200 here. So which means the numerator must also be multiplied by 4, which is 168. We do the same. To get to 200 from 25, you multiply by 8. If you don't know, you just say 200 divided by 25. It gives you 8. So you need to multiply by 8 to get 200. So that now the bottom is 200. So which means the 22 needs to be multiplied by 8 also, so that the numerator is the same. So it's 176. And then the other one is already out of 200, so that one is fine. Now you just use your calculator. You just use your observation. You can see we have 168, 170, 171 and 176. So obviously this is the smallest and obviously this is the largest. Right? Now when you are writing the answers, please, when you're writing the answers, you write them as the original numbers. Like in this case, the smallest is 168 over 200, but it was originally 42 over 50. So you write it as 42 over 50. You don't write the converted value. The largest is 176 over 200, but you write it as it was originally given, 22 over 25. Done.